Hey my loves! Welcome back to Sugar and Sunset. Today's video is all about achieving that affordable monsoon-proof makeup look that actually lasts through humidity, sweat, and surprise rain showers, while still keeping it glowy, fresh, and super cute. Whether you're heading to class, brunch, or a cozy rainy day hangout, this routine is going to be your bestie. Let me know your favorite monsoon-proof product in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more beauty content right here on Sugar and Sunset. Let's dive in. Step 1. Hydrating but matte primer. We're starting with Insight 3. In one primer, a multitasking gem that smooths the skin, blurs pores, and keeps oil away. It's lightweight and works wonders under humid weather. Step 2. Monsoon-proof base. For foundation, I'm going with the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation. It's a classic that gives great coverage, controls shine, and lasts through humidity. If you want something lighter, the LA Girl Pro BB Cream is a great alternative with a breathable finish. Step 3. Spot concealing. To brighten and spot conceal, I'm using the Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer. It blends easily, gives medium coverage, and stays in place even if the weather gets a bit messy. Step 4. Set it right. Now for setting everything, the Blue Heaven Oil Control Compact is a must-have in monsoon. It keeps the skin matte, sets the base, and prevents creasing or melting. Step 5. Long-lasting blush and highlight. For a healthy flush, I recommend the Love Earth Lip and Cheek Tint. It's super blendable and, as it's a tint, it stays on longer than powder blushes. To add a soft glow, the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighter is amazing. It gives a dewy look without making you look oily, perfect for overcast days. Step 6. Monsoon-proof eyes. For the eyes, we need products that won't smudge. I love the Lock Me Insta Liner, which is waterproof, super black, and stays put all day. Pair it with Maybelline Hyper Curl Waterproof Mascara. It lifts and holds your lashes and doesn't run in rain or sweat. Step 7. Smudge-free brows. Brows are just as important, so I use the Miss Claire Waterproof Eyebrow Pencil, which defines the brows and won't fade with moisture. Step 8. Stay all day lips. On the lips, Monsoon calls for tints or matte formulas. The Etude House Dear Darling Water Tint is lightweight, looks juicy, and lasts for hours. If you want something stronger and transfer-proof, go for the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink. It survives rain, food, and everything in between. Final step. Lock it in. To finish off, I lock everything in with the Swiss Beauty Makeup Fixer, which keeps your makeup fresh, dewy, and intact throughout the day.